The clavicular pec press around predominantly trains the upper chest. To set up, set the cable to hip height. Using the opposite cable column as an anchor, with your non-working arm, grab the column and pull toward it. Take a split stance and anchor your back foot against the cable column. Tension the cable by rotating your torso away from the working arm with square shoulders. Next, rotate your hand and upper arm to around 30 to 45 degrees from your torso. Lastly, push the shoulder of your working arm down toward your hip. For the action, on the concentric, press the cable upward and around your torso, bringing the cable across your opposite shoulder. Focus on squeezing your bicep against your torso toward your clavicle. On the eccentric, lower the weight with control, grazing your upper arm against your ribs, and ensuring you're feeling a good stretch in your chest in the bottom position. For proper alignment, keep your shoulders square and stable by pushing your shoulder down toward your hip. Lastly, maintain a 30 to 45 degree angle between your upper arm and torso, with your hand matching this angle.